Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine and today we're doing the next prompt for Junk Journal July 2025, which is summer. So I have this page here and right next to it will be the next prompt, which is botanical. So I'm going to make my summer one nice and flowery as well so that the pages go well together. I'm really excited to this one. I want to add actual flowers and stuff to the pages. So let's have a look through what we might do and I'll see what ideas I can come up with. I found loads more things from that kit from Chapter 1 Papers, and she has all these gorgeous envelopes. I actually have a few kits from her printed and cut out and ready to use, and I think these are just perfect for summer botanical and anything Jane Austen-y. They're just perfect. So I will try to use these as much as possible, I think. As much as I can make them fit, I think they would be a great addition into a little journal like this. But yeah, I'm just going to go through my collections of stuff and see what we have. Start thinking about things. This is perfect. These would also be perfect. These are from a kit from My Porch Prints. I think I used them in my reading, the whole kit, like I think I used it in my reading journal for 2023. Oh my gosh, this box is a treasure trove of stuff for Jane Austen. Oh, these would be so great. Okay, so this is what I have for summer. I'm not 100% sure that I'm getting summer across in it, but it's definitely got Regency vibes, I think. So there's a lot of interactive pieces on this one. So we can flip this over and we have these little flowers here, which I think are pretty summery. And then this goes over. And what I was thinking of was picnics, like Regency style picnics where, you know, they go off to the mountains, or maybe not the mountains, but they go off somewhere nice and have a fancy picnic. And then we have this one, a little postcard. This one. And then this is another one of those envelopes from the Chapter 1's kit, and inside that then I have this library card with an illustration from Pride and Prejudice on it. I think this is the moment when Mr. Collins goes up to introduce himself to Mr. Darcy. So that is what I have for today's prompt, which was summer. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one.